Well, there's the kit. I'm going to be sending it out tomorrow on Thursday. Probably have it Tuesday maybe of next week. So I thought I'd just quick show you what's in the kit, what's in the box. Making a better calibration weight rather than a bucket of paint. 3.5 kilograms of framing nails. So that'll be in there for calibrating. And some tie straps. These are Outdoor Extreme. And I was thinking that on the box, I put a handle so you could drive a piece of rebar into the ground and tie strap the handle to that rebar and kind of mount it at whatever height you want on a post or a piece of rebar or something, but you can also clamp it or whatever. But I put the handle on here so you had something to mount this box to in front of your camera. Obviously there's the solar panel. This side's up, I did label it. This side is down. This side's the part that takes sun. There's some tie straps and screws for mounting the transducer and retaining it. So there's some M4 screws in there to attach the transducer to your mount. I put a couple different links in there. There's a programming cable, which we can use just in case I need to send you new code. You take the front cover off and there's a connector right here you can plug into with this USB mini. And there's the transducer with its connector. And then a little hook to hang the calibration weight with if you need it. And you can take those tabs off if you want. So I'll quick show you the setup. How to put the solar panel on. I'll try to do it with one hand, but there's a little slot here for the wire. So if you lay that wire in that slot, then you slide the panel down into this slot. You tuck the wire underneath it, and then you slide it back, and it's on. And that provides like a little shade, the baseball cap for the display. And then obviously you plug the cable into the solar panel connector here. Keep twisting this until you get resistance because it's got a lot of rotations on it. I'm not going to hook it up right now, but you keep twisting that until you get a nice solid connection. For now I'm going to leave it off. But we'll hook up the transducer real quick and I'll just show you. It's pretty much the same as the last video. So. Hook up the cable to the connector. I can't do this with one hand, sorry. Hooked up. Again, the arrow goes down in the direction of load. I did mark this, showing which part goes fixed and which part has the load. The fixed part mounts to your post. The load is where the Perch applies the load. I'm just going to clamp it to the side of my table a minute. Okay, maybe not. There we go. And I don't have this cable in straight. There we go. And you're going to hit the power button. This is a pretty rickety video, sorry about that. It's going to tear right at the beginning, proves out. Now it's ready for a load. We'll put the 3.5 kilogram. I have calibrated it already, so it should be pretty close. So we put the weight on, we should get about 3.5. And when you get it, you'll want to run through that cal process, which I guess I can do it real quick again, but you press and hold the cal tear button for 4 seconds. You'll see the display show tear. Now it's ready to be calibrated. You hang your 3.5, I'm out of wind, 3.5 kilogram weight on there. This thing's really flexing. Then you hit the button again and it'll say CAL'd. Now it's calibrated. And you can leave it on there to check your calibration. It's rocking a little, so it might be a touch off, yeah. But it's calibrated, and you take the weight off, and it's good. Like I said, you'll be able to, it stores the calibration over power cycling too. So now that it's calibrated, you can turn the power off, go out to the site, and it's calibrated, or you can calibrate it on site, whatever you want to do. That's it. I'll be sending it tomorrow. See you.